Are modular ADUs cheaper? Short answer is no, they are not. The price you see advertised for a modular ADU is not the price you pay. It's the price of the boxes, not a finished home. Here's what modular pricing typically leaves out: site preparation, excavation, survey, permits, all the work that goes in up front. Then it starts with the foundation, the engineering, the septic or sewer connection, the water connection, the electrical service connection, landscaping, driveway, access, excavation. On the inside, typically they do not come with your HVAC system. By the time you're done and you add all that up, you're often the same price or higher than a site-built ADU, except now you've got a factory box that doesn't match your home. Quick question, have you ever received a modular quote that seemed too good to be true? If so, leave me a comment and let me know what happened. If you want to walk a finished ADU, one price, everything included, go to BuildX.com and check out our ADU home tour page. You can come walk an ADU, meet myself, and talk about real numbers for your family. I hope to see you then, and remember, just build, baby.